The Andhra Pradesh state government exchanged a MOU with the Survey of India for taking up land resurvey under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's Swamitva Yojana. The MOU was exchanged in the presence of Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, Lieutenant General Girish Kumar, Surveyor General of India, Deputy Chief Minister Dharmana Krishna Das, Chief Secretary Neelam Swahane. State-of-the-art facilities such as car technology, drones and rovers will be used for the survey. Survey of India will require about 200 small category drones in 2 years' time only for Andhra Pradesh, where the permanent land or asset title will be issued to the beneficiary 2 years after the completion of the survey. The survey will take place in 3 different stages. First, land survey will be from December 21 to July 2021 in 5,000 villages. Second phase will be in 6,500 villages from August 2021 to April 2022. Final and the last phase in the remaining villages will be from July 2022 to January 2023. For this surveying, Survey of India has already started training 14,000 surveyors in the state. We hope that you have liked our video. Do like and share our video and do not forget to subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.